In this tutorial, we will take a look at how you can use a clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop. So when you have your image you want to use in a clipping, and I have two here. I'm first going to show you this. I have this cat. What I'm going to do now is create a circle in which I want my cat to appear. Something like this. Now, normally what you would do in Illustrator, it's a bit different, because in Illustrator you would have this circle on top of the image you want to clip. But if you now right click on your ellipse here and you say create clipping mask, the only thing that happens is, well, yes, you have your circle, but nothing really happens. So I'm going to Command Z. The thing in Photoshop is that you have to have your image which you want to clip inside of something else. So I want my image to appear in my ellipse here. So I need to put my image on top of the thing I want to use to clip it in. And then I will right click this image, and here I will choose create clipping mask, or Alt Option Control Command G. And as you can see now, I created a clipping mask by right clicking the picture I want to have inside of something else. And now my cat is inside of my circle, which is underneath my cat in the layers window here. So now my cat has been clipped inside of the circle. I can still adjust this cat if I want to adjust it, but it's been clipped. Now the other thing I want to show you is that you can also make clipping masks with a vector item. So this is a vector item, and this is a picture. So again, I have to move my picture on top of my vector item, and then I right-click the picture and I create a clipping mask. And now my picture is visible inside of my vector item. So the thing here is that big difference from, for example, Illustrator, you have to put the image you want to have inside of a clipping item on top of that clipping item, and do not put the image you want to use as a clipping or the object you want to use as a clipping on top of your image, because that doesn't work in Photoshop. So yeah, quick way to use clipping masks in Adobe Photoshop. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.